Hey, this is my car, man. Get out my car.
No,
I
it's
call the
not.
police right now.
No, it's
You
not.
stole my car.
What's your number? So I can call you for the car.
Come on, man. No, it's
I
not.
call the police. Call the police right now.
Okay.
Güey, te quiere llevar el carro, vete. Te lo quiere llevar.
No, it's not.
It's my car.
Come on in. Come in.
Te lo quiere llevar, güey, vete.
You give me right?
That's my car. What you say is yours? Huh?
They give you a car?
Dice que es de ella. He said it's my car. Tour up.
Okay. Get out. That's my car.
Is your car?
No, yo sí le digo que es mío.
Huh?
Le dije que es mío.
That's Miles' car.
It's my car.
Can you get out the
Call the police. Call the police right now. Call the police right now.
Wait.
I have everything right here. I have video.
All right, turn off the
Come
car.
on. Okay, hold
Turn
on.
off the car.
Get out, get out. Get out of the car.
Okay.
Su verga, ¿cómo lo pagó?
Okay.
Please
Yeah.
don't call police.
No, can't get out. Out the car.
Okay, come on.
What are you doing? Professional. That's why you have gloves. Yeah.
Your clothes are-
Yeah.
No, don't call police.
No, I have everything, my cell phone.
Wait a minute.
You
I
got
have the
money?
video.
I don't have any money, no. Don't.
Yep. You going to jail.
Llama a la policía, güey.
Calling the cops, right?
Hold on. Leave it like that.
Oh, wait a minute.
No, wait, hold on.
Wait a minute.
Don't move.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Where you
Hey,
going? We
don't
calling.
do that.
Vente, güey, vente. Here.
No.
Vente.
Yeah, right here.
Agárrala, lleva.
No, I was not.
She had.
He has everything right here.
No, wait.
Yeah, call the police.
Wait a minute, guys. Wait a minute.
Calling the police
I
right
have something
now.
for you, okay?
No.
Me está haciendo paso por ahí, güey. Ahorita le llamo.
Nah.
Déjala, güey, no la toques.